Welcome to Lego Academy. Now in this video we're going to handle a question under more concept, and here the question says, how many atoms are there in 6.0 grams of carbon atoms? So here we've been given the multiple choice. So to calculate the number of atoms that are there in 6.0 grams of carbon atoms, we need to find the number of moles of carbon atoms. So if we get our data, so here we've been given the mass, which is 6.0 grams, and we are calculating for the number of atoms in 6.0 grams. So for this one, we need to calculate the number of moles of carbon. So number of moles is equal to mass over molar mass. So here on M, we're going to put the mass that has been given, which is 6.0 grams, over the molar mass of carbon, that is 12 grams per mole. So this 12 grams per mole, if we check on the periodic table, the atomic mass of carbon, that is 12, meaning its molar mass, it is going to be 12 grams per mole. So if we divide this 12 into 6, this is going to be 0.5 mole. So this is the number of moles that is contained in 6.0 grams. Now that we have the number of moles, the question says calculate the number of atoms that are there in 6.0 grams of carbon atoms. So if we use more concept and Avogadro's number, we know that 1 mole is equal to the Avogadro's number of atoms, which is 6.022 multiplied by 10 to the power 23. So 1 mole is equivalent to 6.022 times 10 to the power 23 atoms. So if we say 1 mole is equivalent to this number of atoms, how about 0.5 mole? This one here we don't know, so we put an X and cross multiply. So this multiplied by that, we are going to get X mole, which is equal to, so here we have 0.5 mole multiplied by 6.022 times 10 to the power 23 atoms. To find the value of X, we divide D throughout by mole. Even here, we divide by mole. So this mole and this one, they'll cancel. Here we are remaining with X is equal to, so this mole here and this one, they'll cancel. So 0.5 multiplied by 6.022 times 10 to the power 23. If we punch this figure on the calculator, so this is 0.5 multiplied by 6.022 times 10 to the power 23. So this is 3.011 times 10 to the power 23. 3.011 times 10 to the power 23 atoms. So this is the number of atoms that are contained in 6.0 grams of carbon atoms.